Just tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause
Hi guys, it's April 29, Sophie's birthday, and Mum's driving us to football training. Guys, we're here at the footy oval. We're gonna go train now. Bye. Bye.
Guys, look what I'm eating for Yabas. And it's so good, and it's delicious, and I like it so much, and it's the best in the world. But it's so hard to make for me, but so good. Very good, guys. Very good, guys. It's so delicious, and it's healthy for your muscles and your belly, and you can grow if you eat this all. And I like it. And I really like it. It looks like apple. What it's made from, guys? Apple. Made from apple, guys. The boys are starting to play soon. I love you guys.
Good afternoon guys, mag-aalauna na. Today is Friday, April 30. Kahapon hindi ako nag-vlog kasi sobrang sakit ng mata ko. Pero si Zach, di ba, nag-open siya ng vlog. Pero saglit lang naman yun. May footy training sila kahapon. Kahapon hindi ako nag-vlog kasi sobrang sakit ng mata ko. Eto, mayroon siya dyan na, ayan o, kita nyo ba? May mapula siya, tapos meron siya parang pimple dyan sa dyan mismo kung saan ka maglalagay ng eyeliner. Ang sakit niya hanggang ngayon, masakit siya. Pag nagbiblink, masakit siya, lalo na kahapon. So, alis tayo. Pupunta tayo ng Robe. Kasi diba, yung mga bata, sobrang miss na miss nila si Jan. So, sabi ni Jan, mag-drive daw ako doon para bisitahin siya. Kasi hindi pa alam, baka Monday pa siya uuwi. So, si Kuya, diba, nakita nyo nung gabi, sobrang iyak niya, tsaka si Holly. So, sabi ni Jan, sige, punta na lang kayo dito after school ngayon nga, etong Friday. So, pupunta tayo doon. And, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, may i-haul ako. Siguro, next time ko na lang i-haul yung nabili ko sa Woolies. Ano lang naman, yung konti lang naman. Pero, eto, pakita ko naman sa inyo. I-flex ko lang yung ating. Nag-ano na siya. Eto, di ba, nagbuka na to nung binili ko. Tapos, ayan, mayroon na naman na bumubuka dalawa. Tapos, yung iba, hindi pa. So, linagyan ko na siya ng tubig. Pinalitan ko na siya ng tubig. And eto, didiligan ko to mamaya bago kami umalis. And ganda, di ba? Oh, at least ito na siyang flowers. And ano pa ba? Naglaba ko 2 beses. Yung isa, isasampay ko na. Naglaba ko ng mga puti. And may niload ulit ako na mga towels naman. And ayun si Holly. Holly, say hi!
Hi.
Tingnan nyo. Naligo na kayo pareho. And tingnan nyo yung kanya. Show your OOT, di ba ba? What do you think, Holly?
Beautiful.
Sabi yung beautiful. And magdadala kami ng pillows. Naka-ready na yung pillows. and towels. And dadali ni Kuya yung golf stick niya kasi mag-golf sila ni Jan. And eto, isasampay ko. Ito yung isasampay ko. And eto pala, nakabihis na ako. Ito yung nabili ko sa Adelaide na jeans. And eto, matagal na. So, yeah, magsampay muna ako. And then, hintayin lang namin yung mga bata. Tapos, alis tayo. And may ini-edit ako, hindi pa tapos. 3:50 na guys. Maya-maya lang nandito na yung mga bata. And natapos ko yung aking ini-edit. And ngayon, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, naglaba pa ako ng mga towels. Ngayon, isasampay ko na sila. And si Holly, Baba, tingnan mo ang buhay niya, oh. Netflix. And ito yung potato sticks. So, magsampay muna. Yeah. Ito yung mga towels. So, magsampay muna ako. And maya-maya, dito na yung mga bata. Magpalit lang sila ng damit. Then, we're off to roam. Dina-download ko lang yung yung in-edit ko. Tapos, doon ko na lang siya i-upload. Kasi wala na akong oras mag-upload dito. And si Kuya, magdadala siya ng, nabanggit ko ba sa inyo? Ito, yung short niya na pang-golf. Okay, sampay na tayo. And ito pala yung mga sinampay ko kanina. Ayan, yung kanina kong nilabhan. Tapos, ito, sa labas ko sila isasampay. Doon. Andito na sila. Guess what's that, Kuya?
Your bag's heavy.
Zachary's bag. Say hi.
Hi.
Nagba-vitamins lang sila. So, alis na tayo. Nire-ready lang nila yung mga dadalhin nila. And si Kuya, syempre, dadalhin niya yung golf sticks. Ha? Yes.
The big mix.
What big mix?
The big.
Ah, the assorted one. Yeah, bring that one. Dalhin daw nila yung biscuit. Yung assorted na Arnott's. Okay. I think we need a Ziploc. Bring your shoes. Bring your shoes. Hoy, Zachary, golf shoes and Zachary, golf shoes and regular shoes.
Can we bring this? No one's drinking it.
Because we're not, you know, it's alright. We have, Daddy, no, don't open it. Kasi hindi pa namin nabuksan. Kasi may tira pa nung nag-grocery ako, may tira pa. Yun ang inubos muna.
Can you bring some?
Just bring some juice. And, natanggal ko na pala yung carrots tsaka celery. Nasa fridge na siya. And eto, hinugasan ko yung mga baunan nila para ready na sa Monday. What's that, Zach?
Can you bring some champurrado?
Dali
Can
na.
you bring the whole thing?
Oh, manners?
Please.
Dalhin ko raw yung champurrado. May champurrado pa kasi. And Fritz? Yeah, okay. We'll bring this, guys. Ah, yung bot. Ano ba yung mga pinaglalagay mo sa... Ah, okay. Sunscreen. And may dala siyang dalawang bag.
2 bags.
Okay. 2 bags. Okay, come on. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna call Daddy first. Guys, dito kami sa shop. Kumuha lang kami ng chips. And meron akong mga dumating na package. And hinintay lang namin si Kuya. Kasi siya yung bumili ng chips. And may dala akong ito yung lunch bag. And dala ko yung wait, alisin natin muna ang seatbelt. Dala ko yung cheese powder. Wala pa si Kuya eh. What's that, Zach? Are you alright there?
Yeah.
We can put that at the back.
Yeah.
Okay. Then after dito, diretso na kami.
Mom, are you gonna stop driving?
No, I'm not. I'm not like Dad.
Why? Why we're thirsty?
Ah, ask TJ to get water too, please.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah, we still have money there.
No.
Yeah, I give TJ money. Yan na yung dalawa.
It just made me think how still for Chris, he walks away thinking what a great time. Like my uncle from my life, it was this great moment.
Kailang ni Kuya yung package sa likod. Andun na siya. Ayan na yung water. Ito yung chips. Ang dami ng chips. Why too much?
Oh, this one's yours, I think.
Oh my God. Ay, tingnan nyo naman. Sabi ko, malit na bag lang.
One has chicken salt, one has slime.
Yeah, but I told you just a small bag for me. No, they're not. Alright, it's alright. Okay, okay. So, i-shake ko lang to sa cheese. So, ayan na yung cheesy chips ko, guys. So, alis na kami. Good luck to me. Ito yung first time ko na magdadrive na 1 hour and a half. Kasi alam nyo naman ako, nagdadrive lang ako.
Mama,
What?
GPS.
Yeah, GPS. Alam nyo naman ako, nagdadrive lang ako, bahay tsaka town. Yun lang talaga. Ito yung first time ko. And, yeah. Bisitahin natin si Johnny Boy. Pinayagan ako ni Jan kasi I have to, kasi yung mga bata, miss na miss nila si Daddy. Okay, good luck to me. Oh, yes? Yung phone. Si Kuya pala ang magiging navigator ko. Siya yung GPS. Siya yung titingin sa ano. Kasi si Kuya ang galing niya dito.
Mom, you want me to hold on first? No.
Wait, no. Kusa. Let TJ hold this.
Can I hold the chip?
Yeah. Okay, just type probe. Hello, wait lang. Ayan, it's ready, Kuya. So we're gonna go here. Go.
Starting route to Robe.
Okay.
Head northeast on Ridden.
Alright, guys. See you later. Good luck to me.
Guys, we're almost at Robe to see my dad, and my mum's having a long drive, and it is 24 minutes until we're there to Robe. Here's TJ. We miss Dad so much.
I miss Daddy. I cried.
Yeah, and they all cried. Okay, thanks. Guys, don't you know this is my mum's first time driving for an hour and 17 minutes? No, 20, 30, no, 40, 50. This is her driving. It's been very long. For a long time we haven't seen our dad.
For hours and days.
But guys, it's getting dark and my mum's still driving. She hasn't really driven this long before.
Yeah.
She hasn't really driven in the dark for a long time. And I'm telling her where to go. This is her first time driving to Robe without Dad. And it is 32 kilometers.
We are here.
Yeah, all because of me. And me.
Hold on.
I got confused halfway.
Good job, Kuya.
I got confused halfway.
Balik na ni Kuya sa akin yung phone. Hi, Johnny Boy. Hi. How are you?
Good.
Hi, mate.
Hey, how are you?
Good.
That's good. You done well. Good trip.
Yeah. He is so good.
Yeah.
Very good.
Oh, whatever, mate.
No, I was like near where we had to run past. I just booted
Sabi ni Jan,
like this.
ilang weeks daw kayo dito.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Tingnan nyo, punong-puno yung likod. Sabi ni Kuya, 5 package daw. Pero si Jan, meron din. Ayan. So I put it back here. Okay, get your pillows, kids. Kanina pa kami dito, nagchika-chika lang. Alam nyo ba, guys? Ang sakit ng mata. Kita nyo? Parang namamagana siya. Kanina nung nagda-drive ako, sobrang sakit niya and sobrang thankful ako kay Kuya. Ang galing-galing ni Kuya mag-navigate sa akin. Nasa kanya yung phone. Sinasabi niya lang sa akin kung saan ako magtuturn. Basta ang galing niya kasi may mga confusing na road na magtuturn kang right, tapos konti lang, magtuturn ka na naman ng left. Yung parang nasa highway siya, tapos parang siyang crossing, pero may maliit na road din na dapat doon ako papasok. And then, si Kuya minsan hindi niya pina-follow yung direction ng GPS kasi minsan dinadala ka sa malayong way. Si Kuya may alam siyang mga shortcut. So, sabi ni Kuya, Ma'am, just keep going. You're not gonna turn. Kasi minsan naririnig ko yung GPS na magsasabi na turn left, turn right. Sabi, Ma'am, you're not going there. Just go forward and then we will turn after that. So, ganun siya. Ang galing-galing ni Kuya talaga, as in. And, laking tulong niya sa akin. Kasi nga, ito, sobrang sakit ko. Tapos, siya din ang nagpapaalala sa akin. Kasi, minsan, yung speed 110. Minsan, bigla na lang mag-80, 100. And sabi si Kuya, Ma'am, speed limit is 100. Sabi ko, okay. Pero, mahina lang na talaga ako mag-drive. Hindi, kasi nga, tawag noon, dahan-dahan lang ako kasi first time ko mag-drive dito. Almost 2 hours. Kasi 1 hour 40. So, parang almost 2 hours ako nagda-drive. And wala kaming stop. Walang umihi. Wala. So, dire-diretso lang talaga. So, Ito ay bahay ng friend namin. Nakita nyo na yung isang bahay nila, yung malaking bahay din na puti siya. So, eto, bago lang nila to last year or 2 years ago nila to nabili ata. So, eto yung room namin. Ang ganda, parang beachy-beachy yung vibes dito sa bahay na to. Tingnan nyo, eto yung room. Dito muna tayo mag-tour sa room namin. Sa room ni Jan. Ayan. And tingnan nyo, ang ganda niyan, oh. Tapos, yan, totoo siyang plant. Itong dalawa. Ayan. Ito meron ako nito eh. Gusto kong bumili rin ng mga ganitong, hopefully, one day, para sa bahay. Eto ba, plants. Tapos, eto, totoo din to. Indoor to. At least may idea ako kung saan to bibilhin. Tapos, yan sa IKEA yan, kasi meron ako nito. And, tingnan nyo. Makalat lang si Johnny Boy. Nandito yung mga damit niya. Ayan. Ang ganda nito, no? Yung upuan dyan. Tapos, tingnan nyo yung painting. Surfboards. And bahay. And, yeah. Dito muna kami. Siguro uwi kami Sunday kasi may pasok yung bata sa Lunes. And, ina-upload ko na. Continuation to ng pag-upload ko ng vlog. Para may vlog mamaya. Inano ko na siya sa... Kinonect ko ba siya sa aking... Ang tawag dyan? Basta dito, Spotify. Is not Spotify. Spotify. Ano yan? Music. Ang tawag dito? Nakalimutan ko, guys. Personal hotspot. Yan. Kinonect ko na siya dyan para may vlog ako mamaya. 19% pa lang siya. And, yeah. So, labas muna ako para chika-chika doon. Sumasakit na naman siya. Yung parang kumikirot siya. Tapos, pag nagbiblink ako, mas masakit siya. So, ang ginagawa ko minsan, ginaganon ko siya para hindi masyado masakit. And, mamaya pala, darating din yung asawa niya tsaka yung anak niya. Ang ganda dito. Ang ganda ng vibes. Tapos, tingnan niyo yung ano. Ayan yung lamp. Yung parang native. Tapos, ayan yung window. So, labas muna ako. Hi. Whatever, Zach.
No, he did. It was hanging on the tree.
When? Today?
Yes, and then head first.
Zachary?
My hair was like...
Is it for real?
Yes.
Today?
Yes. After lunch.
Why?
He was getting Ruby.
Oh.
Finn and Zach were gonna get Ruby Peter Rabbit up there, and because it got stuck up there, it was
Yeah.
nice. Zach took the long way and Finn took the
My God, si Zachary na talaga.
got down the pool.
So, pumunta tayo dito. Pumunta si Mayo sa shop. What's that? Gustong-gusto niya yung upuan. It's alright, just wait. Ang cute ng ano din kasi, na-recline. Kanina niya pa may sinasabi siya.
Dad,
Hintayin niyo na lang.
we haven't even lost the game.
What's that?
Hey Dad,
So relaxing. Yeah. You like it here?
so we automatically win.
Not every day, Baba. No. We can visit Daddy here. Sinasabi niya kay Daddy niya na hindi niya pina-follow yung ibang sinasabi doon sa ano sa map.
So is it Claywell's Road? Where you turn left to go right?
I was looking at the phone the whole way.
Holly.
So I don't know because we need the map here on the way back.
Gusto ni Sak maupo rin doon.
Wait, so you're coming back Monday? Can we come back Monday?
No, we can't, Kuya. You have
Oh
school.
wait, no, I got PE for the first time.
That's
this
right. When Daddy is here, we can visit Daddy weekend.
year. Dad, is this your...
8:30?
Yeah, like that. I think we're better at 8:30.
Si Sak, ginagawa niyang lahat para kay Holly para makaupo siya dyan.
Just leave it.
Let me go.
Ayan si Kuya. You miss Daddy so much, yeah?
Fix it. Holly, just wait, let him have a go.
That's right. Fix it. It's alright.
Bobby, hop off. Don't one at a time.
One at a time.
And just don't be silly.
Strawberry.
Alis yan, Baba.
Stop
Oh, no, stamp here, Baba, ha?
here.
Hey, this guy stares to me in the belly after the shower.
Relaxing, Zach? Relaxing, Zach?
Okay, now let me know. No?
Oh, just wait. Pinag-aagawan talaga nila yung upuan na yan. Ikaw, let Kuya have a go. Don't put stuff there, Baba.
Yeah.
Did you give medicine?
Yeah, I did, honey.
When?
Before we left. Kumakain sila na hilaw na noodles. Good, Baba? Pati si Sak, oh.
You have it raw and it cooks inside you.
What's the taste, Sak? Good?
Carrot.
No, I'll do it, Baba. I know you can, but balatan natin tong ano,
Let me
guys.
try.
Okay, careful.
And every,
You know, you have to hold like this.
First the eyes.
Oh, no, mommy na lang, Baba.
No, I can.
Yeah. Okay, move there. Because he's gonna cook. Balatan natin ito. Magluluto siya. Siya yung magluluto ng tea. Tapos
No,
sabi
I
ko ako na
want
lang
to try
magbalatan.
myself.
Ha?
I wanted to try myself.
This is like this, Baba.
Oh yeah, I want to.
No, baby. Ako na.
I want to try mine. Try.
No.
Have you tried?
No. Ang kulit, diba?
516 for that.
Dapat pa ganito siya kasi mas matalim yung ganito niya. Kaysa pag ganun, hindi siya wala. Ay. Yes, he has.
What? You can't get one. We'll try and watch that.
Well, yeah, we'll watch. Will you be able to watch that, Charlie?
Yeah. I'll do
turn
that.
it down a little bit.
Don't worry, I'll do that one.
I'm coming out to cook with mate.
I'm coming.
Jump up. Stone soft.
Yeah, magluluto sila ng barbecue. Tapos na
No.
kumag. No, Baba, it's cold, Baba, and you're sick.
Great
Ayan na
idea,
yung
man.
ating gagawing coleslaw. And ako ang naka-toka sa ating, ito yung ano, gagawin na cold salad. So, ayan.
That one's there.
Punta na sila sa labas. Ah, okay. Di-deep fry nila yun sa labas.
What, Baba?
Okay. See ya. Alis, punta siya sa labas. Hindi rin tumigil. Maya-maya, nandito na si Gretel. Nakita nyo na yun sa vlog before, nung pumunta ako sa bahay nila. Okay na to. Linagyan ko na pala ng coleslaw dressing. So, imimix lang natin. Ha?
Oh, is that how you make coleslaw?
Yes.
I think
pa.
cold is way better.
Ha?
I think cold is better.
You think so? Dagdagan pa natin. Tapos ilagay ko siya sa ref. Doon pa sila sa labas. Kunti pa. Malulobat na ako. And I think, nakalimutan ko yung charger. Pero mayroon pa ako dyan na dalawang full yung battery. Kasi yung isa, pinadala ko diba, doon sa nasira, nandun yung isang battery nun. 4 kasi yung battery ko ng G7X. Pero dala ko yung isang, nalubat na. Nagpalit lang ako ng battery. And naririnig ko si Holly, sumisigaw na nandito na daw yung asawa ni Mayo. So, labas tayo. Ako na lang mag-isa dito sa bahay. Labas tayo. Tingnan natin. Yun si Holly. Narinig si Holly. Gulatin natin. Akala ko papasok. Hi! Hi! Guys! Ang tagal namin hindi nagkita. Like, almost, like 2 years.
Since we see.
Yeah, the last time we see each other. So, mag-champagne muna kami. Ayan, Emery. Wow! Ayan na yung salad, guys. So, ilalagay namin yung sa ref.
Oh, you didn't expect? Oh, you got up on his back.
Ayan yung panganay niya, si Jem. Nakita nyo na yan before.
Are you enjoying that? Yeah. Are yours top 10?
His highest score is 1 goal and 1 point. My highest.
I love to go Lima and go. I always like, yeah.
Do you know Lisa?
No.
Andy's sister?
No, but no, I haven't seen her. I think.
Oh, you need to tell them who you are. You need to say,
Ayan, dito na sila.
friends with Grandma Nan.
Cheers! Oh my God. What's that? You wanna drink, Han? John, don't drink. Pakainin na muna namin yung mga bata. Ayan na. And eto, gawa to ni Mayo. Etong sauce na to. Tomato sauce. Sabi ni Sat, can I try mayo sauce, Mom? Can I try? Kasi hindi siya naniniwala na gawa yan ni Mayo. Good? Ayan. Oh, that's enough, Baba, chicken. Oh, no. Not for the salad, Baba. That's for the chips. Here you go, Jam. Kumakain na yung mga bata. Ipapublic ko lang yung aking vlog kasi tapos na siya. Malakas yung yung aking internet. Yung sa phone. So, okay na to. Ipublic ko lang siya. Ayusin ko lang to, guys. Kami na yung kakain, guys. Adult. Ayan. Si Jem tapos na.
Black and gold.
Tapos na kami, guys. Ako hindi pa. Meron pa akong konti. Pero si Jem tapos na
Like a
ice cream na sila.
chocolate or like they're the proper brand.
Bumili si Jen ng ice cream.
Other generic
Oh,
labels,
ice drop.
they're not the proper brand, but black and gold are. So if you buy black and gold, it's
Black
not
and
brand.
gold. Sabi nila masarap daw.
It's like
You're lucky. Sit down here. Not on the couch, please. Good?
Oh, yeah?
like they're my new best.
Holly made that, Jem. Holly made, yeah. Right, Papa? Yan yung ginawa pala yan ni Holly. Yung bracelet. Say thanks, Dad, for the
I'll get told off here,
ice cream. Say thanks, Dad, sa second glass.
Sugars. Why are you from the bottom up?
Matulog na sila. Tulog na si Mayo doon, no?
Every night has he fallen asleep on you?
9:16 na, guys. Matutulog na si Jan kasi maaga pa sila bukas.
Ruth, dear Ruth.
And, ayan, umiinom pa rin kami ng champagne.
Yeah, the other night.
Meron din siyang glass, oh, pero plastic lang yan. Cheers!
Alka Seltzer. Anyway, yeah.
How's yours? Good? You say good night to Daddy?
Good night, Dad.
Dad. Matulog na raw sila.
What time's your arms at full?
3:30 pa kasi sila gigising. Anong oras na? 9:17. Dito pa rin kami, guys. Umiinom ng champagne. And si Holly, ayan, naka-change na siya ng PJ. Ayan. Good job, Papa.
We're gonna make lunch.
We're gonna make lunch for tomorrow. Oh, we're gonna make lunch for tomorrow, guys. Gretel's gonna make lunch for the boys. Gumagawa na siya ng lunch for the boys. And si Holly, painumin ko na siya ng medicine kasi kanina pinainom ko siya nung bago kami umalis. Yes. Guys, it's 11 o'clock. Hindi namin namalayan yung oras 11 na. So we're gonna close the vlog. Thank you, guys. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Good night!